Hello, today we're working with Stata Problem Set 7, Time Series Data. I'm Shalimar Elkridge, and without further ado, let's get into it. So our research question of the day is, do industry sales have a relationship with company sales? The variables that we are looking at are company sales and industry sales. We have 20 observations of each. These numbers are adjusted to current day's money value as inflation devalues money over time. The mean value for company sales is 7.47, and the mean value for industry sales is 44.955 about. The standard deviation on each of those respectively is 0.225 and 1.5. Company sales has a minimum value of 7.09 with a max of 7.93. Industry sales has a minimum value of 42.7 with a maximum of 48.18. Now let's get into deeper in the model. The variables of question that we used, our Y variable is company sales, while the X variable is industry sales. We ran a parallelogram to test if we should use a dynamic or static model, where we see, according to our partial autocorrelation values, with a threshold of an absolute value of 0.5, we should use one lag on both our company sales and industry sales to better fit the model, and we should continue on with a dynamic model. From our dynamic model, we ran a regression, and the model results are as follows. Industry sales has statistical significance at the 0.05 level, as well as industry sales of the previous term and company sales of the previous term. So we're going to go ahead and tell you how these will affect the model. So a 1 unit increase in industry sales is associated with a 0.1599 unit increase in company sales over time on average, holding all else constant, as well as the previous period's industry sales are associated with a 0.138 unit decrease in company sales over time on average, holding all else constant. And the previous period's company sales is associated with a 1 unit increase in the previous period's company sales associated with a 0.8526 unit increase in the current period's industry sales or company sales over time on average, holding all else constant. Now we did two tests to test for some issues in our model. We did a Bruce Godfrey LM test and a Durbin's alternative test, where both of these show that we can accept our null hypothesis that there is no serial correlation. And for our to test for spurious correlation and non-stationarity, we use the Dickey-Fuller test, where the null hypothesis is that the model is non-stationary. And according to our p-value, we have to accept this null hypothesis that our model is non-stationary, and now we have to do further evaluation of the model to fix this non-stationarity. Thank you very much. I hope I answered your questions well.